All right, this is our final round for Division 4. We goes to Casa Filipina team. We have number 2, Dennis Ingo. Number 40, Mike Garcia. Number 21, Ingboy Taray. Number 30, Barry Rivieros. Number 5, Alex Anda. Number 58, Jeff Bohol. Number 50, Oli Pineda. Number 10, Ranel Israel. And number 1, Bongsa. And now, we're going to Masagana Team, Division 4. Jersey number 16, Bong Armonia. Jersey number 28, Chu Makapinlat. Jersey number 79, Jarby Sabat. Jersey number 7, Gilbert Ramos. Jersey number 12, John Kapitli. Jersey number 81, Tim Vergara. Jersey number 29, Jed L. Jersey number 11, Saldel Guzman. Jersey number 7, Jap Ombina. And jersey number 14, Barion Morphy. Alright, tapos na po ang briefing. Okay. First 5, we have Mike Sanchez, number 21, Dennis Israel. And the other side, Masagana, we have 2, Vergara, number 14, Jeremy and Jop. Alright. Good luck to both teams. Ready. First ball ng itim. Mike nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa sa loob kay Israel. Number 21, fake. What a two shot by number 21. Engboy. Unang basket. Jeremy. Pass to Jop inside. Jop. Short. Nakakuha ni Israel. Number 1. Nagdadala ng bola. Sanchez. Pass to Mike. Mike. Number 21 again. No. 2 for the rebound. Nagwawarma pa. Jeremy. Pass inside. Vergara. Uy. What? No good. What a rebound by Jop. Vergara fakes. 79 Jeremy. Luwag na luwag. Wala. Rebound ng Israel. The score is 2-0. Mike to Sanchez. Sanchez naghanap ng papasahan. 21, pinasa loob. Israel number 10. 5 on the shot clock. Mike, 2 points yan. The score is 4-0. Jeremy, ano kaya ang gagawin? Number 4 for 3. Wala. Rebound by Israel. Vergara for the steal. Vergara, muntik mawala ang bola. Vergara. What a shot by Vergara. The score is 4-2. Number 40. Pass to number 1. Tumira ng malayong 3. Wala. Jeremy for the rebound. Ibinababa ang bola. Jeremy, ginamit. Uy, what a foul. Foul number 1. First team foul. First personal foul. Two free throws tayo. Pasok. Saan ba yung tambo? Pasok. Tabla na po ang labanan.
Magandang palakpakan ng Team Jong. Ayan na. 21. Engboy for 2. Napakalupit. Hindi pa nagawa ang MVP sa kabila. Jeremy. Number 4. Takes a shot. Wala. Ayan na. Foul. Ano tayo? Offensive foul by number 28. Pushing foul. Huli ka.
Kitang-kita daw ng referee.
Alright. Number 2. Pinasa kay 21. Engboy. Engboy. Pinasa kay Dennis. Uy! Nahuli ni Jeremy. Jeremy nahuli ni Dennis. Out of bounds. Out of bounds ang tawag. Number 1. Sanchez. Humahanap ng pick. Wala mapasahan. Pinasa kay Dennis. Dennis. Pinasa kay Sanchez ulit. Sanchez humingi ng screen. Engboy screen. Sanchez. 7 on the shot clock. 6. Foul.
Number 4, foul of Masagana. 14 pala. 14, sorry. First personal foul on the second team foul.
Sanchez, ayos ang pagkain ng itlog. Second throw tayo, rebound. Magandang bitaw. The score is 8-4. Jump. Umatake. Jeremy, kinuha ang bola. Jeremy fakes. Pumasok. Pasok yan. 2 points by Jeremy. Mike, pinasa kay Dennis. Sanchez, naghahanap ng play. Ito na si Mike. Dumaretso sa loob. Wala. Rebound by Ju. Ju, pinasa. Kay Jeremy. 2 points. Dikit na dikit ang laban. All 8. Engboy. Huli ka. Traveling violation. Tatay mo ta. Jeremy. Pass to Jap. Jap. Pinasa sa loob. Ganda ng play. 2 points by number 14.
Sub next.
Substitution tayo next.
Substitution tayo next.
Israel. Pass to Sanchez. 11 on the shot clock. Israel. Wala. Foul na nakita ng referee. Substitution. Number 7, jump foul. Huling-huli. Okay, pumasok si Bohol. Dennis, fake. Ginamit ang katawan. Foul! 2 shots tayo, sabi ng referee. Foul number 14. Second personal foul on the 14th foul. Warning for penalty.
Hey, hey, hey. Oy, ano yun? Dito kayo mag-ano.
Hey, wait.
After shoot, Jeo, after shoot. Just come to the committee, okay? Rep, sabat.
Wala. Number 14 for the rebound. Jeremy nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by, ang ganda ng pasa. Chu, Pineke, wala. Chule. Foul.
Substitution. Who's foul rep? 5-8. Foul. Bohol. First personal foul
on the second team foul. Dalawa tayo, dalawang tira. Pasok. Pumasok na si Gio and si Anda. Second throw. Wala. Rebound by Anda. Pass to Engboy. Engboy nagdadala ang bola. Dahan-dahan. Engboy crossover. Engboy ginamit ang glass. Wala. Foul na nakita ng referee. 29 foul. Penalty. Penalty. Jayo. Jayo, first personal foul. Penalty. Pasok. Pasok uli. Israel. Dikit ang laban. All 11. Dennis. Ginordia na si Jeremy. Nakawala. Wala pa rin. Gap for 2 points. Kinuha ang nawalang buko. Ayan na. Yan na si Israel. Guarded by Gio. Pass to Dennis. Dennis, guarded by Jeremy. Anda takes a shot. Wala. Wata. Tip by number 28, Jeremy. Pinuha, pinasa kay Chu. Chu, wala. Number 21, Engboy. Kinuha ang rebound, Engboy. Pass to Israel. Foul. Si Jap na naman. Substitution. Jap, second personal foul. Substitution rep. Penalty. Si Jap eh. Israel, wala ang unang tira. Second throw tayo. Pasok! The score is 13-12. Bohol. Munti ka ng mago ni Bohol. Uy! Number 7, luwag na luwag. Wala! Anda. Pinasa kay. Ayan na kay Engboy. Pinasa kay Bohol. For 3! Wala! Gio, tinapik palabas. Nakuha ni Jeremy. Ayan na. Humingi ng pasa. Sobrang lakas.
Time out. Bola daw, bola. Wala bang ibang bola dyan? Ito, sir. Dapat na yan, mag-ready tayo dyan. Fourth quarter lang.
24 remaining time. Number 10, Israel. 15 on the shot clock. Pinasa kay Bohol. Bohol! Binali! Wala! Foul! 28, Chu. Second personal foul. Okay. Madami na silang foul, pati si Jap. Dalawa. Bohol! Napakalupit ng tira. 1 point kay Bohol.
Labang pa pala.
Bohol, wala. Oy, tabla uli. End of the first quarter. We want to thank you all our sponsor, World Remit, Laser Band, McGran Liverpool, Mocha, Hype Sign, BM Express, Harley's Davidson, Casa Pilipina, and Elegance Eyewear. This is our team foul. Casa Pilipina, Bohol, 1 personal foul. Bong Sanchez, 1 personal foul.
Team Masagana. Chu Makapinlak, second personal foul. Jed L, one personal foul. Jap Umbina, second personal foul. And Byron Marpy, second personal foul.
Both teams, please, advance timeout tayo sa ating committee kung magta-timeout kayo. And substitution. Alright, thank you. Back to the ball game tayo.
White ball. This is our second quarter. Jong, biglang tumira. Wala. Kanya uli ang bola. 15 on the shot clock. Jong, pumasok sa loob. Walang mapasahan. Pinasa kay number 14. 9 on the shot clock. Byron takes along 2. Wala. Out of bounds. All right. Ayan na. Pineda. Pass to Bohol. Bohol fake. Foul. Number 29. Second personal foul ka na. Number 21. 29. Pineda pass inside. Sanchez. Pasok yan. Will be recognized. Joe Fail is on the house. Number 29, Jayo. Pass to number 14. Vergara! Pasok yan! Napakatindi ng labanan. Pineda. Pinasa kay Bohol. Pinasa kay Pineda. Pineda pumasok. Ayan na. Number 30. 10 on the shot clock. Anda. Pass to Pineda. Ganda ng pasahan. Fake. Wala. 4 on the shot clock. Okay. Traveling. Ayan na. Nadating na ang Division 3. Mr. Jason Reyes. And Kuya Sunny. Gio, pass to Jong, luwag na luwag, Jong pumasok, wala, Jong uli for the rebound, pasok yan, lakas naman, ang lupit mo, Boss Jong. Ayan na si Pineda, babawi si Pineda, Pineda, walang mapasahan, pinasa kay number 30, Bohol, oy, kinuha ni Anda, Bohol, dumarive, dala double team, Bohol, patay na yan, huli ni Vergara, Vergara, 81, muntik nang mawala. 2 points. Utay-utay nang nalaki ang kalamangan ng puti. Masagana team. Sanchez, tatlo ang gagardya. Number 30! Biglang tumira, wala. Jump for the rebound. Pinasa kay Chu. 2 points. Time out! Alright. Special thanks din sa ating sponsor pang iba, the Brown Beat Band. Kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng magandang sayawan at tugtugan, mag-Brown Beat Band ka na. Henry's Harvest, Studio 26, Simply Pinwish, BM Express, Floor Deluxe, Macran Mitsubishi, Napier and Bakery, R&R Sportswear, and the 4 Parfum. The score is 21-15 in favor of Masagana. Okay, back to the ball game. For 1 minute na. 13, pinasa kay Dennis, wala. Dennis ulit ang nakakuha. Nakuha ni number 14. Pinasa kay J.O., number 21. Oy, nahuli ni Israel. Israel, oy, what a spin! Wala lang. Ayan na. Ayan na si Vergara. Bilis ni Israel. Foul nga lang ang nakuha ni Israel. First foul by Israel. First team foul. Sa baba.
14 on the shot clock. Jong, pumasok sa loob. Ginamit ang katawan. Wala. Number 1, Sanchez. Dennis nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by Jong. Hinahabol ni Jong. Dennis. Muntik na mawala. Bohol. 4-3. Naku po. Airball.
Substitution, ref. Substitution. Mike in. Ball out. Substitution sa Masagana. Jong and Jap in. De Guzman in. Alright.
Saray.
Alright. 6 minutes remaining time on the second quarter. Dennis nakakuha ng bola.
Dennis. Wala. Sanchez.
Jump for the rebound. Pinasa. 2-on-1. Pinasa kay Vergara. 2 points yan.
Patay na.
Paano kaya ang gagawin ng itim? Kasa Pilipina. Kailangan humabol. Oy! Naku! Out of bounds pa.
Sasaba? Sino magsasaba?
Byron. Pinasa kay Chu sa loob. Chu. Pass inside. De Guzman. Wala.
Si Japa.
Ayan na. Dennis. 1-on-1 kay Byron. Dennis. 2 points yan. Dennis lang ang sakalam.
Time out daw ah. Pag kanina.
2 points yun. 2 points.
Alright. Number 40, Mike.
Pinasa kay Israel. 13 on the shot clock. Number 21, fakes. Drive. Wala. Rebound by Byron. Si Chu nagdadala. 3 kalaban sa harap. Chu. Wala yan. Rebound by Mike. Mike guarded by Jap. Ginamit. Mike. Bilang tumira. Pasok. Time out.
Okay, back to the ball game na tayo, guys. The time is running and ticking. Last 2 minutes and 42. Out of bounds. We want to recognize our sponsor again, Mr. Ranes of Penta Properties.
Dennis. Pass to number 9. 15 on the shot clock. Ayan na si Mike. Mike. Pinasa kay number 21. 9 on the shot clock. Dennis. 5 on the shot clock. Sanchez for 3. Wala. 21 for the rebound. Pasok yan. Pinagis ang bola. Unti-unting lalapit ang team Casa Pilipina. Baseline tayo sa kabila. Score is 25-21 in favor of Masagana. Dennis. Nahanap ng papasahan. Dennis siyang sumugod sa loob. Guarded by Chu. Sanchez, luwag na luwag. Wala. Dennis. Ginamit pang katawan. 2 points yan. Jump. Ano kaya gagawin? Mr. MVP. Guarded by number 21. Pinasa sa loob. De Guzman. Wala. Sanchez for the rebound. Pinasa kay Dennis na uli. Nagdadala ng bola. Dennis. Pinasa ganda naman. Israel foul. And one. All right. Number 11 foul. Timeout! Block muna, ref! Timeout! Block!
We would like to thank everyone for coming here for the finals of Winter, HIBA Winter 2026. And also to our sponsors, ArcPen, Ace Installation, Masagana Minimad, Penta Properties, Studio 26,
Napian Blakely, Casa Filipina, Elegance Eyewear, Simply Fin Wiz, Henry's Harvest, Home Renovation, Madi Culturas, R&R Sportswear, World Remit, Laser Bond, Macraft Liverpool, Flow Deluxe, Hype and Signs, BM Express, Ted Fencing and Landscape, Pokeball, Patty Seal, 218 Prestige Automotive, Brown Beat Band, Cois Lechon, 13 Home Care, and De Parfum. We are in our third quarter, the second half of the finals between Masagana and Casa Filipina. Maraming salamat po, Piba family, for coming and witnessing. Back to the ball game. Bola ng itim. Running score, 25 against 26. Lamang ang Casa Filipina, bola ng itim, Israel number 10. Sa gitna, wala. Number 14. Lapit kay, pasa kay Jump number 7. 7 sa ilalim, 2, Mr. MVP. Dalawa, nagbabantay. Jeremy, fake to shoot, number 28. Foul is called. Number 10. Second personal foul, Israel. Mr. MVP sa linya. Unang tira, titingnan natin. Wala. Sa pangalawang tira, yes sir! Shoot is bounce. Number 17 to 58 to Sanchez number 1. Balikin number 17, number 58. Naghahanap ng papasahan kay Ingboy number 21. 7 to shoot. Ingboy tinira sa tres! Pasok yan! 3 points, Ingboy. Chop, number 7. To Byron, number 14. Yes, sir! Sagutan ng 3. Nag-uumpisa ng uminit ang laban.
Payong na kayo.
Magpayong na tayo. Sanchez again. Wala. Israel. Rebound. Sa ilalim, may tawag, it's a traveling violation. Number 79, Jeremy. Ibababa ng bola. Byron number 14 to 79 sa ibabaw. Sa laksak sa gitna, munting namagan na agaw ni number. Alright, tapik ng puti, same ball. Number 17. Ang ganda ng agaw. Sanchez, number 1, nag-iisip. Tinira na nga! 3 points! Napakaganda ng laban! Umpisa pa lang to sa 4 na finals game. Ngayong araw na to, Byron to Jop. Jop lays in. Yes, sir! Kinaliwa pa. Number 17, 10 number 1, Sanchez. 17 sa gitna. Bohol! Medyo kapos ang tira. Rebound by number 10. Israel tapik ng bola ng puti. White ball. White ball. 2, number 28. Nag-iisip, Jeremy, tinira sa 3. Hindi tumama sa ring. A turnover. Substitution, ref. Substitution. 17 out. In. Mike, Mr. Suabe, number 40. Kinakabahan po ang mga asawa, hindi na mapakali dito sa gilid. Tingnan natin. Sanchez, number 1. To Bohol. Bohol is it called for traveling violation. Substitution, ref. Substitution. And number 5 in. Out. Number 58, Bohol. Jeremy to drop. Number 7. Commissioner nagdadala ng bola. Pasa kay Job, bunting ng maagaw. Balik kay Job. Sa gitna, sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by Israel. To number 1, Sanchez. Sanchez, walang tao sa ilalim. Natapik yung bola. Israel. Foul is called. Pushing foul by number 81. Pushing foul. 2 free throws. Vergara first. Personal foul. Israel unang tira. Mintis. Running score. 31 against 32. Lamang ang 32. Israel sa pangalawang tira. Shooter's bounce. Good done. 2. Nagbababa ng bola. Dinoble. Oops! It's a pushing foul by Sanchez. Sanchez, second personal foul. Number 14. Abarientos. Sorry, Byron pala. Pasa kay Vergara sa ilalim. Yes, sir! Score. Deadlock at 33. Number 1, bringing down the ball. Pasa kay Ingboy, number 21. Tinira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by number 7, Jap. A big rebound by Commissioners, number 7. Jeremy. Sa gilid, sumalaksak sa gitna. Pasa kay Byron, tinira sa 3. Wala yan. 2 rebound. Walang tawag. Oh, there's a foul called. Foul is called to number 10, Israel. Israel, third substitution ref. Third personal foul. Unang free throw, wala. Mintis ang unang free throw. Tingnan natin, pangalawang free throw ni Mr. MVP ng Division 4. Yes sir, pasok yan. Sanchez. Dennis, nagdadala ng bola, nagmamadali. Same ball. 7 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds shot clock. Dennis to Mike. Mr. Suabe, number 40 to Sanchez. Sanchez saying, boy, a whistle is blown. A traveling violation. Number 7 to 79. Jeremy, Byron. Kay Jap, sa laksak sa gitna. tinira, kapos. Rebound by Ingboy. Nagmamadali si Ingboy, tumatakbo. Number 21, sa gitna, wala. Rebound, Anda, wala pa rin. Number 28. To Vergara sa ilalim. Block, but a foul is called by number 5, Anda. White, black wanting for penalty. Substitution ref. Pineda, number 17 in, Anda out. 58 in, 21 Igboy out. Vergara unang tira. Yes sir. Lamang na uli ang Masagana. 35-33. Tingnan natin sa pangalawang tira. Number 81. Hindi yan pumasok, pero rebound niya. Rebound by Vergara. It's a lost ball. Sayang yun. Mike to Pineda, number 17. Nagtitimon sa team niya. Number 1. Sa gitna, Dennis. Recovering the ball, number 2. Dennis ay ilalim. Munti ka na yan. Rebound by Jap to 2. Mr. MVP nagpapadali, number 28. Naagaw ni number 58. Bohol. Bohol bumabawi. Pasa number 17. 17 fake to Mike. Tingnan natin, wala. Jeremy. Jeremy nagpapadali. There's a whistle. Number 17 foul penalty. Penalty situation ref.
Oops, sorry.
Hindi pumasok. Nagsisimula ng lumamig ang simoy ng hangin. Players of Division 3, please prepare for the next game. '79. Hindi pumasok. Mike, pasa kay Bohol. Bohol. Blocked by number 14. Tumama kay Dennis, same ball. Hindi nakita. Jump! Yes, sir! Apat ang lamang ng Masagana. Dennis, magkapareho lang ang shot clock and game clock. 5 to shoot. Dennis, tinira, wala. Time for the third quarter. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank Ace Insulation, Brown Beat Band, Henry's Harvest, Studio 26, Simply Fin Wiz, BM Express, Floor Deluxe, McGrath Mitsubishi, Arpen A&A, Napier and Blakely, R&R Sportswear, Vida Parfum, World Remit, Kois Lichon, Elegance Skyway Eyewear, 13 Home Care, Penta Properties, Laser Bond, Ocean Renovation, Hype Signs, 218 Prestige, Medical Tours, Patty Seal, Mocha Sweets, Masagana, Casa Filipina, Pokeball, and last but not the least, Ted Fencing and Landscaping. Mga kapamilya, Meron po tayong activity ngayong araw na to upang ipagbigay po natin ng ating pagkikiramay sa ating mga dalawang players na nawalan po ng kanilang mahal sa buhay. And we're gonna be having an event for mangangalap po tayo ng inyo pong support and kunting tulong. Kung sino po ang gustong magbigay, please approach our LCs. Meron po tayong half-court events and competition. Meron po tayong special na mga prizes. Alright. Time for the fourth quarter. Score 37 against 33 in favor of Basagada. Back to the ball game. Two. 28. To Vergara number 81 sa ilalim. Yes, sir. Ingboy number 21. To Dennis number 2. Sanchez to Ingboy. Ingboy sa gitna. Sumalaksak. Pasa kay Israel. Ang ganda na sana. Pero hindi nasalo ng kakampi. 29 to number 7. Tinira. Yes, sir. Number 29. Ang lupit ng gupit ni Mr. Peter Hernandez. There's a whistle called, a traveling violation committed by number 81, Vergara. A ball turnover. Number 21 to number 1, Sanchez. Sanchez sa gitna. Nag-iisip. To number 37, Gary, wala. Vergara. A line ball. Stepping on the line. Another ball turnover. Walo ang lamang. Sanchez. Tinira. Wala. Nagre-rebound. Itim nakakuha. A foul is called. Foul. Number 29, Jed. Third. Substitution. Mamaya, Mr. Mike. Third personal foul. Number 29, Ingboy. Wala. Number 21. Yes, sir. Lucky bounce. Vergara, number 81. Nagbababa ng bola. Coast to coast sa gitna. Pasa. There's a whistle called. Turnover. Substitution ref. Number 40 in. 30. Out. Pito lang ang lamang. 9 minutes. Oy, naagaw na number. A kick ball is called. Mike, number 40. To Dennis. Balik kay Mike. Mike sa gitna. Sumalaksak Jester! 5 lang ang lamang. Number 14 to 81 sa gitna. There's a whistle called. Whistle. Number 1. Number 1. 3. Personal foul. 2, number 28. To number 7. Number 7 sa gitna. Balik kay Chu, number 28, Mr. MVP. Nagdadala ng bola. Binabatayan ni Dennis. Chu to number 14. Tinira, yes sir! Ingboy. To Mike, tinira sa gitna, wala. Number 25 to 28, Chu. Napagod ka. Oh, good defense by Mike. Chu. Natisod. Israel to number 2. Zigzagging, a foul is called. Foul by number 14. Timeout. Why? Special thanks kay Pinoy Basketball YouTuber. Maraming salamat to always covering the games of Pibao family and to your support. Hindi lang nagpapakita ng kanyang mukha, pero laging nandito. Bawat Sabado, bawat laban, Lolo of Pinoy Basketball Association Originals. Thank you for covering and featuring Pibao in your YouTube account. Muli po mga kapatid, pinapaikot po namin, meron po kaming LC na umiikot, meron po tayong fundraising para sa dalawa nating mga kapatid na nawalan ng mahal sa buhay. Dahil ang Pibao family, hindi lang po pang sports, pang pamilya pa. Back to the ball game. First free throw, Dennis. Wala. Ito ang lamang ng Masagana. Tingnan natin sa second free throw. Number 2, Mr. Technical. Kapos. Rebound by number 29. 29 to number 14. To Chu. Number 40 is called for a foul. 40. First personal foul. Chu. Walang tao sa ilalim. Number 29. Wala. Follow up by number 81. That was an easy point. Siyam ang lamang. To 40. Sa gitna. It's a kick ball. White ball. Siyam lang yan. Nagtatrap ang itim. Tingnan natin. To number 12. Number 12. Dalawang nakabantay. Kumunti ka ng magaw. Same boat. Substitution ref. Substitution ref. Jeremy. Wala. There's a whistle code. Number 2, foul. Sa gitna, Vergara number 81. Wala. Dennis rebound. Binato. Mike, nauna na. Oy, wala pa rin. Number 79. Chu sa ilalim. Yes, sir. Ang ganda ng pasa. Timeout! This is the fourth quarter of the finals game between Masagana and Casa Filipina. Back to the ball game. Ingboy, number 21 to Sanchez. Sanchez nagbababa ng bola. to Bohol. Tinira sa 3. Wala. May oras ba yan? Bilog ang bola. Jeremy, number 79. 79. Tagitna kay team. Wala. Follow up niya. Wala pa rin. Israel to Dennis, number 2. There's a whistle blown. Substitution ref. Substitution ref. Vergara foul. Second personal foul. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Bohol. Napaka-risky ng pasa. Si Commissioner nagmamadali. No good. Chu is there. Yes, sir. Kaya nga naging MVP. Laging nandyan. Number 28 for 2 points. 21. Dribbling the ball to number 1, Sanchez. Sanchez. Titira sa 3 yan. Hindi umabot. Jeremy. To team sa gitna. Chu pa rin. Wala. There's a whistle call. Number 58. Foul. Timeout. Black. Casa Filipina. No more timeout. We're acknowledging the presence of our sponsors, lalo na kay Penta Properties. And also, we would like to invite everyone for our next competition, the Summer 2026 PBAL competition. Please register. Back to the ball game for our final quarter. Last 2 minutes. 2. Yes, sir. Labing 4 na puntos ang lamang. Rebound by Israel to number 1 to Ingboy. Ingboy guarded by number 79 sa gitna. Tinira ni Ingboy. Wala. 81 to Chu. There's a foul called Dennis, number 2. Penalty. Substitution ref. Penalty situation. Substitution ref. Mamayana. Number 81, Vergara. Yes, sir. Lumobo na ng 15. Gayon pa man, panalo pa rin ang bawat kupunan. Second free throw. Wala. Kumalog. Number 10. Pinasa kay Ingboy. Ingboy. Meron pa ba? May pag-asa pa. Bilog ang bola. To Bohol, fake, pasa kay Ingboy, wala pa rin, hindi nabubutas, kanina pa yan. Simula ng third quarter. Number 14 by Ron. Jury foul by number 1. Sanchez, 4th personal foul. Substitution ref. Israel. Substitute. Timeout ref. Mamaya. Last throw. Pag pumasok, timeout. Pag hindi, continue. Yes, timeout. Why? No more timeout for both teams. We also would like to thank our referees and the people that are supporting behind us. Yung mga silent supporters ng PBAL, maraming salamat po. And also featuring our upcoming Family Day and our Christmas party on the 21st of November. Antabayanan po ang mga sumusunod susunod na mga detalye. Back to the ball game. May pag-asa pa ba? Sanchez, hindi talaga makabutas, no? And wala pa rin talaga. Ayaw talaga pumasok, parang may takip yung rim. A foul by number 21, Ingboy. Jong, number 12. Isa pa. Umaandar pa rin yung may oras pa. Anda sa wakas. Nakapasok na rin. Simula pa yan ng 12 minutes. Halos 12 minutes, walang score ang... Okay, Jap, our Kume. Wala. Bohol to Sanchez. Titira sa 3. Wala. To Jap, to number 14. A foul is called. Prepare na natin yung balloons. Number 21. Ingboy is foul.
Na-announce yun natin. Hindi, okay na to. Ano na lang siguro. Pare, handa mo na yung ano.
Ingboy number 21 sa gitna. Timira, wala pa rin. Number 58. Naagaw. And there's a whistle called. Sana yung imaginary balloons.
May sense daw pagkatapos. Baka may papasok na yun yan.
Jong, wala.
May lalaban pa yung kakampi mo.
Barry, ayan na. Pinasa pa. Sanchez, wala. Pasa nyo kay, ayan na, 21. 22 seconds. Pasok yan. Last 19 seconds na lang. Jump! Baka naman naitira pa. Jong! Pindinira. Ayun. Out of bounds. Alright.
Bakit tayo mo daw? Hindi ka pwede dito. Hindi tayo. Wala natang. Walang bluetooth dyan. Ito.
Alright. That's the final buzzer. Congratulations, Team Masagana. Awarding na po tayo.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. What are we waiting for this event? The champion of Division 4, no other than Masagana. Jersey number 16, Bo Harmonia. Jersey number 28, Chu Makapinla. Jersey number 79, Jeremy Saba. Jersey number 7, Gilbert Ramos. Jersey number 12, Joe Capitli. Jersey number 81, Tim Vergara. Jersey number 29, Jed. Jersey number 11, Saidi Guzman. Jersey number 7, Chap Ombina. Jersey number 14, Byron Murphy. All right, boys, congratulations. I know we are waiting for the mailman, the man who lead the team to get his throne. But without the help of the boys, the members. The throne that can't be given. Yun ang tinatawag nating jersey number 81, Denver Gun! And we acknowledge our one of the sponsor, Mr. from Pinta Properties. Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations.